Problem 11. Because the heights of the two trees are in a ratio of 3 to 4, and the top of one tree is higher than the other by 16 feet. Therefore, to get the total tree's height, we use 16 to divide 4 minus 3 and multiply 4, and that equals 64 feet. Therefore, the answer is B. To calculate how many of the red balls must be removed so that 75% of the remaining balls are red, we use the total number of balls 500 to multiply 80% to get the initial red colored ball, and then we subtract the X balls, red balls that need to be removed, and we divide that by the total number of balls after we remove, that's 500, subtract X, and that would equal 75%. And we simplify this equation, we get 400 subtract X equals 375, subtract 3 over 4x. Therefore, we get 1/4 x equals 25 and x equals 100. Therefore, the answer is D. Problem 13. Let's assume the length of the longest side is L and the perimeter of the triangle is P. Because the problem says the shortest side is 30% of the perimeter, we use P multiply 30%, and the longest side, the three sides of the triangle are 3 consecutive integers. Therefore, the shortest side plus 2 should equal the length of the longest side, L. And also, 30% multiply P plus 1 equals 70% multiply P, subtract the longest side. We substitute the first equation into the second. Then we will get this equals 40%, 30% P plus 1 equals 40% P subtract 2. And that means 10% multiply P equals 3 and P equals 30. Therefore, the three lengths should be 9, 10, 11, and the longest side is 11. The answer is E. Problem 14. We first calculate the prime factors of 2010. 2010 divided 2 equals 1005. And we can see because 1 plus 5 is 6, so it's divisible by 3. So we divide that by 3. It equals 335. And we can identify it's divisible by 5. So we divide 5. And that left to us with 67. 67 is a prime number, so it's not divisible. And we use 67 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. That equals 77. So the sum of the prime factors of 2010 is 77. The answer is C. Problem 15. We first calculate the total number of gumdrops. We use the 30 gumdrops that's green, divide by its portion, which should be 1 subtract the 30% blue, subtract the 20% brown, subtract the 15% red, subtract 10% yellow, and that is 30 divide 1 subtract 75%, and that equals 120 gumdrops in total. So we have 120 gumdrops in total, then because half of the blue gumdrops are replaced by the brown ones, therefore we use 120 multiply half of the percentage of the blue gumdrops, that's 15. And we add the 20% initial brown gumdrops, and that equals 42. Therefore, there are 42 gumdrops that are brown now. The answer is C.